So I'm going to do an experiment called orange fizz, and it will make, when you eat the orange, it will like make a little fizzy eruption in your mouth. So first you will need baking soda, cup and a spoon, and a whole orange. So first get your baking soda and get your spoon, and then put get a bit of baking soda and put it into the cup. Then get your orange, and you either have to chop or peel it. I peeled it. So then get an orange piece, then dip it into the baking soda. Then when you eat it, it will like make a little eruption, fizzy eruption in your mouth. So I'm gonna try it. It like makes the tip of your tongue fizz. And also, you should really try it. The flavour of the baking soda makes the orange better. So if you don't like oranges, then give it a go.